In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Reps Kakobuy. Before we begin, a quick note. I can't assist with purchasing counterfeit or infringing products. What I'll demonstrate is the standard lawful checkout flow on Kakobuy, so you can order legitimate items responsibly and in line with local laws and platform policies. Start by opening the Kakobuy website. On the homepage, you'll see a search bar. You can paste a product link there or type a product name to look up what you need. If you have a photo of the item, click the small image icon to use image search. Select the image from your device and choose Open to upload it. Kakobuy will show visually similar results. Browse the options and select the listing that best matches what you're looking for. Then click through to open the product details page. On the details page, choose the specific options the seller offers. Select your preferred color, then pick the correct length in centimeters if that attribute is available for the item. Set the quantity you want to purchase. Use the remarks field to leave clear notes for the agent, things like exact measurements, preferred variants, or packaging requests. Keep it specific and easy to understand so the order can be processed accurately. Once everything looks good, click Buy Now to proceed. At checkout, review your items carefully, including size, color, length, and quantity. Confirm your shipping destination, delivery method, and any service or international handling fees shown. Read the platform's terms, and if you agree, check the box to confirm you've read and accepted them. When you're ready, click Submit Order. Next, you'll land on the payment page. Choose a payment method you trust, verify the total amount, and keep an eye on currency conversion if you're paying across borders. When everything checks out, click Confirm Payment. If a final confirmation appears, click Confirm again to complete the transaction. A few helpful tips as you go. Review product photos and descriptions closely for material details and sizing. Compare multiple listings when possible to gauge quality and pricing. And avoid trademarked or branded designs unless you're purchasing from authorized sources. If something isn't clear, add a concise question in the remarks box or contact support before paying. After payment, monitor your order status in your account, respond promptly if the agent needs clarification, and save your receipt or screenshots for your records. Also, double-check your delivery address and contact details to prevent shipping issues. That's the full legitimate flow from search to confirmation on Kakobuy step by step.